Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Yamaha R15 V4. The Yamaha R15 V4 redefines the concept of sportiness and sophistication in the motorcycling world. With its aggressive design language, sharp contours, and aerodynamic bodywork, the R15 V4 is not just a motorcycle, it is a statement of passion and performance. Its sleek profile, complemented by precision engineering, ensures that every element serves a purpose, delivering an unmatched riding experience. The powerful 155cc liquid-cooled SOHC engine offers seamless performance, blending high-speed thrills with superior efficiency. This engine is equipped with variable valve actuation (VVA) technology, ensuring optimal power delivery across the RPM range. The advanced slipper clutch provides smoother downshifts, reducing stress on the drivetrain and enhancing cornering stability. Every detail of the Yamaha R15 V4 speaks of innovation. The bifunctional LED headlight offers superior illumination and an unmistakable road presence, ensuring enhanced visibility even in challenging conditions. Its full digital LCD instrument cluster is designed to keep riders informed, offering real-time updates on speed, gear position, fuel efficiency, and more. The R15 V4 features Bluetooth connectivity through Yamaha's Y-Connect app, keeping riders connected to their smartphones for call notifications, messages, and battery status alerts. The riding ergonomics are carefully engineered to ensure a perfect balance between comfort and aggression. The clip-on handlebars and rear-set footpegs create an ideal posture for sporty handling while maintaining long-distance comfort. The lightweight Deltabox frame offers unmatched stability and precise handling, ensuring that the bike feels like an extension of the rider. Coupled with the adjustable suspension, the R15 V4 delivers exceptional cornering confidence and comfort on varied terrains. Yamaha has always been at the forefront of safety, and the R15 V4 is no exception. Dual-channel ABS ensures maximum braking control, even under sudden or hard braking situations. The radial tires provide excellent grip and stability, offering a sense of security in every ride. The aerodynamic winglets integrated into the design enhance downforce, ensuring stability at higher speeds. The braking system, with its front and rear disc brakes, is designed to deliver precise stopping power, providing riders with complete control. The Yamaha R15 V4 is not just a motorcycle, it is a lifestyle choice for those who demand the best. Its dynamic design draws inspiration from Yamaha's MotoGP legacy, featuring bold graphics and a striking color palette. Whether it's the vibrant racing blue, stealthy metallic red, or the sophisticated dark night, the R15 V4 makes a lasting impression wherever it goes. The attention to detail is evident in every component, from the premium finish of the fuel tank to the meticulously crafted alloy wheels. Designed for the modern rider, the R15 V4 features state-of-the-art technology that sets new benchmarks in its segment. The quick shifter, available in select variants, ensures effortless upshifts without the need to engage the clutch, providing a seamless and exhilarating acceleration experience. The traction control system is another standout feature, preventing wheel slippage during sudden throttle inputs, especially on slippery surfaces. These advancements make the R15 V4 a motorcycle that not only delivers thrilling performance but also prioritizes rider safety and convenience. The R15 V4 is a testament to Yamaha's commitment to pushing boundaries. Its aerodynamic efficiency reduces drag, improving both performance and fuel economy. The lightweight frame and precision engineering contribute to its agile handling, making it an ideal choice for city commutes and spirited weekend rides alike. The bike's ergonomic seat design ensures maximum comfort for both the rider and the pillion, making every journey enjoyable and fatigue-free. The Yamaha R15 V4 stands as a symbol of innovation and excellence. Its cutting-edge features, combined with its striking aesthetics, make it a motorcycle that truly redefines what it means to ride. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or carving corners on a mountain pass, the R15 V4 delivers an experience that is both exhilarating and unforgettable. The legacy of Yamaha's racing heritage is embedded in every aspect of this machine, making it a perfect choice for enthusiasts who seek performance without compromise. For those who demand more from their motorcycles, the Yamaha R15 V4 delivers in every aspect. It is not just a mode of transportation, it is a gateway to a world of excitement and adventure. The bike's superior build quality, advanced technology, and premium features make it a leader in its class, offering unmatched value for riders who refuse to settle for anything less. The Yamaha R15 V4 is more than a motorcycle, it is a masterpiece of engineering, design, and innovation. From the moment you set eyes on the Yamaha R15 V4, you know it is designed to stand out. Its aggressive stance, sculpted bodywork, and precision detailing make it a head-turner on any road. The compact and aerodynamic design not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to its exceptional performance. Every curve and line of the R15 V4 is a testament to Yamaha's dedication to perfection, making it a true work of art on two wheels. The Yamaha R15 V4 is equipped with advanced features that cater to the needs of today's riders. The customizable digital display allows you to tailor the information shown to your preferences, providing a personalized riding experience. The Y-Connect app takes connectivity to the next level, offering features such as maintenance reminders, fuel consumption tracking, and last parking location. This integration of technology ensures that the R15 V4 is not just a motorcycle but a smart companion on every journey. Performance is at the heart of the Yamaha R15 V4. Its high-revving engine delivers an exhilarating ride, while the lightweight chassis ensures agility and control. The bike's suspension system, featuring a telescopic front fork and a monoshock at the rear, is tuned for both comfort and performance. Whether you're tackling city streets or exploring winding mountain roads, the R15 V4 provides a ride that is both smooth and responsive. The Yamaha R15 V4's design is a perfect blend of form and function. The aerodynamic bodywork is designed to minimize air resistance, enhancing both speed and fuel efficiency. The sporty split-seat design adds to its aggressive look while providing optimal comfort for both the rider and pillion. The LED taillight and turn indicators not only enhance visibility but also add to the bike's modern and premium aesthetic. Every aspect of the Yamaha R15 V4 is designed with the rider in mind. The adjustable levers, intuitive controls, and ergonomic layout ensure that every interaction with the bike is seamless and enjoyable. The attention to detail extends to the smallest elements, from the high-quality switchgear to the premium paint finish. This commitment to excellence makes the R15 V4 a motorcycle that stands out in every aspect. The Yamaha R15 V4 is a testament to Yamaha's legacy of innovation and excellence. It is a motorcycle that combines cutting-edge technology with timeless design, offering a riding experience that is both thrilling and refined. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycling, the R15 V4 is a bike that promises to exceed your expectations at every turn. Its combination of performance, style, and technology makes it a true game-changer in the world of motorcycles. For riders who demand the best, the Yamaha R15 V4 delivers in every way. Its advanced engineering, superior performance, and striking design make it a motorcycle that is truly in a league of its own. The R15 V4 is more than just a machine, it is a statement of individuality and a celebration of the joy of riding. With the Yamaha R15 V4, every journey becomes an unforgettable adventure, and every ride is a testament to the spirit of freedom and exploration. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.